What's going on, family? Just checking in. It's Saturday. I'm outside of the Container Cafe, working on a couple things I have to work on today. Actually getting a few things lined out. I'm working on the staircase. So the staircase, I'm still up between where I'm actually set the landing at. So I'm probably gonna let it be a surprise. I'm still working on a few different ideas, but I do have a few cool things that I'm thinking about doing. So, as you build things, you come up with some good ideas as you go. And I actually came up with a few different good things as I've been working on this. So I'm taking things as I go and I'm laying it out, building my construction. So one good thing I do like about this is it's metal. And I'm a metal person, so I know that there's no limitations. There's things that you can learn as you go and you can get better, but this is actually a used one. I could have got a new one, but I'd have been out a whole lot of more money to build my first project. And I literally wanted to use something used to build the first project. So that's why I got a used storage container, because this is gonna be around for years after me, And actually, this first one I'm not going to sell. I had someone ask me, "Hey man, you gonna fix it up to sell it?" Nah, it's actually gonna be my first one to keep as the home office, and I can actually have a little one I can ship around, and it'll be this one that I can actually, once I tweak it and get it where I'm going, because you can actually, like I say, you can always add to it, take stuff away, put stuff on it. But I want this to be the first one that I actually built with my hands to start the business. So that's why it's like memorable and a monumental cafe to me. That's why I call it the HogOn Cafe, not just because I'm gonna be selling coffee or selling some type of beverage or selling something, but it's just a cafe is also places where people come to gather, to gather their thoughts, to think, to network. And I'm a welder, so I want to make a environment for independent welders, upcoming welders to come, drink coffee, have, beverages, buy items, buy things they need, get some welding session classes. I want to do several things, so I don't want to have a limitation as far as what I do. So I just want to keep that option open. But like I say, when you start, you got to start. So the goal is just to get started. So that's actually what I'm doing. I'm in here lining a few things out. Had to pick up a couple pieces, so had to step in here and get my gloves and some things I needed to actually finish the process that I got to go, that I'm doing at home. So when I come back over here, I have several things I have to start doing. So, hey, I'm getting it done. I'm just taking it slow as I can to make sure I can get the things that need to be done before I actually separate it. So that's my goal, is to do that. So I'm working on a few ideas. So while I'm doing that, I'm gonna be keeping y'all posted on what I'm doing and how I'm doing it and all that good stuff. So that way you'll know, And I needed a few things down here. So I'm gonna go on and load this up because I need to use it. So I can load it up and just bring it back when I get done with it. But I'm here to get my hog on today, trying to kill several birds with one stone. Y'all be blessed. I'm out. Black Feniks.